Hey, it's Jim from the Woodworking Corner. Table saw is out at the shop today, so I'm trying to find some things to do around the shop that I can improve on without the use of a table saw until I get it back, hopefully sometime next week. I don't know about you, but air hoses is a big pet peeve of mine. You roll them up, they look nice and fine and dandy and stuff like that, but maybe you're just doing something over here with an air gun and you don't need 20 foot of hose. No way of doing it unless you find some sort of a spool to put it on. I've looked online on Amazon for spools and they run for air hoses like this, like $100. I think we can make something over here to be a little bit more cost effective than that. Okay, here's my thought. An old piece of 2x3 from an old project. All I'm thinking about doing is, here's the side of the cabinet here. Just going to cut this down and do something vertically like this. And we'll clean it up a little bit and make it look pretty. Hey, Jim again. If you found any information in this video helpful, please smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. I'm really trying to help everyone out and giving you guys ideas on what to do in your shop. Ring that notification bell. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section down below. I will definitely answer every comment I get. Thanks again for watching, and back to the video. Hey, I get it. This wasn't the world's sexiest woodworking project, but without a table saw and things to do in the shop, this is going to help me out tremendously in the future of not having to deal with the air hose getting all tangled up all the time. I appreciate you watching, and see you on the next one. This mess will have to wait till after lunch.